Hi, this is my second upgrade for the 6040 CNC. The first one that I've made is this one. It's to rigidify the y-axis. Yeah, it's y-axis, this one. So that it doesn't bend as much as it was doing before, because this rod were bending kinda when they are forcing on aluminium too much. And increasing the amount of rod and bearings attached here with the holes that there is already. It really helped with the y-axis. There is, you can check the video, the first video I made with this upgrade if you want to make this one. It's quite interesting because it's not that difficult to make. You just need some aluminum plate and bearings. And these two rods, but it's not expensive to make, really not expensive. So then I made this second upgrade. So how it works is that this motor, well, here is a bit up. The motor is a bit up compared to mine, but here there is quite a distance without any support. So I'm thinking that it was making vibration here. So adding these parts help with vibration. So it's really cheap to make too. If you make this upgrade, you can make this one too if you have more aluminum. The way I made it is that you can make it, for example, with plastic or other material than aluminum. That's why I made these holes. These 4 holes. Let me remove the machine. So these 4 holes here, it's to stack. If you want to, you have these 2 screws that are in front here. You put a bolt here on the 2 sides, and then you can stack. You can make multiple of them, so you add rigidity. With aluminum, one is enough, in my opinion, but you can stack them if you want to add more. Here the screws are not aligned for some reason. Here I have I think it's 110 millimeter. Let me check. Yeah, 110 millimeter from the middle, and this model that I downloaded online is offset in many ways. Like there is, even for the first upgrade that I've made, I need to change the offset from here to here, I think, if I remember well. And there was too about the distance from here to here. So this model is not really, like, I don't know why. Maybe there is a few versions that went out and I don't have the same one. So maybe before doing the upgrade you should check if you have 110 millimeter from the middle here to the middle here. To make these holes here, because as it's a 3-axis CNC, you can make these holes and everything, machine the part around, but not these holes. So to make these holes, if you have a 3D printer, you can print just this part. It's basically a cut of this one, and you put it like this. Here you add a clamp. You add 2 clamps on the 2 sides, on both sides, and you can drill from the front here to make the holes at 110 millimeter, because if not, it's quite difficult to find the perfect distance from the to be aligned. It's quite difficult. So if you have a 3D printer, it's really easy. Or you can machine this part too, and but on the other side, if you have you can no, not like this. You could machine it like this. What? Okay. You could machine it like this, and so you have the holes with a good distance, but you will need to hold the part like this up. It's quite difficult to hold the aluminum like this, but anyway, it's doable. It's difficult, but it's doable. For this hole here there is none, but you will need, so you can add pressure to clamp the motor itself. So I did not even make it because even when I made this one, it was to make sure with the 3D printed part that it's aligned, and then but this one is basically useless. It's just a reference for the distance. So so this one you just need a drill, and you drill with a 4 or 6 millimeter, and then you add a bolt through this and with a nut. So yeah, that's it. I will show you the machine process, a part of it, and installing the upgrade itself. So yeah, thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.